In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update an author bio on KDP, an essential KDP tutorial for beginners. If you're a self-published author utilizing Kindle Direct Publishing, keeping your author bio up to date is crucial for maintaining your personal brand and connecting with your readership. Our aim is to make this process straightforward and easy to understand. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log in to Author Central. This is the key portal for authors on Amazon, where you can manage how your books are presented to the world. To access Author Central, you'll need to use the same credentials that you use for your Amazon account. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's an option to reset it. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Author Central dashboard, a home base for managing your author profile and book listings. Next, we'll navigate over to the Profile section. Look for the Profile option in the top menu. It's your one-stop shop for everything pertaining to your author identity on Amazon's marketplace. A good author profile can significantly impact how readers perceive you and your work, so it's important to keep it engaging and current. Once you click on Profile, you'll see your existing author bio, photo, and additional information. This is where you have the chance to reflect on any updates you might want to apply. Now let's focus on updating your bio. You'll see an option to click Edit Bio. This button is your gateway to modifying how you present yourself to your audience. When writing or updating your author bio, keep in mind the tone and image you want to convey. Your bio is your chance to showcase your personality, highlight your accomplishments, and maybe share a few interesting quirks to help readers connect with you. Lastly, after you've made the changes you desire, don't forget to click the Save button. Saving ensures that all your hard work is recorded and updated on the platform. Sometimes it might take a while for changes to appear live on Amazon, so don't worry if you don't see them immediately. And there you have it. Nothing too complicated, right? Updating your author bio may seem like a small task, but it plays a critical role in your marketing and branding strategy. Ensuring that your bio is aligned with who you are as a writer can encourage more readers to engage with your work and grow your fan base. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more insightful guides on